Institutional investors' reactions to the Bitcoin price crash have been quite similar to that of retail investors. After weeks of outflows, the tides have begun to change, largely credited to the low prices that offer a chance to get into the digital asset before a recovery. The past week saw inflows for the digital asset, although other assets tell a different story. Bitcoin sentiment had declined far into the negative following the price crash of last week. With the digital asset reaching as low as $17,600, it triggered massive sell-offs across the space. However, not everyone in the space had seen the decline in prices as a signal to sell. For some, it presented a unique opportunity to get some cheap Bitcoins, which is what is seen across the institutional investors. Bitcoin's outflows had been ramping up over the previous week due to the low momentum in the market. This had turned for the better last week when the outflow trend had been cancelled and money began to flow into the cryptocurrency. Related reading by the numbers: the worst Bitcoin bear markets ever. Ethereum is yet to be free from its bearish hold as outflows remain the order of the day. For the last week alone, Ethereum outflows had reached $70 million. The second largest cryptocurrency by market cap has now seen 11 straight weeks of outflows with no reprieve in sight. Its year-to-date outflows now sit at a massive $459 million. Multi-asset investment products and Solana would, however, go the way of Bitcoin for last week. Both these asset classes maintain inflow trends stubbornly. Inflows for multi-asset investment products came out to $9 million while Solana saw inflows of $0. $7 million, presumably from investors who are moving out of competitor, Ethereum, due to fears that the merge would not be taking place according to schedule. The crypto market has lost more than $100 billion since last week. It is currently sitting at $892.6 billion at the time of this writing. Follow Best Owie on Twitter for market insights, updates, and the occasional funny tweet.